Hi friends, we're back. Today is Monday, and today we have our math test. So I hope you're super excited. What we're going to be doing first, I just want to go over, we're going to be having our Zoom meeting every Wednesday. It's going to be super exciting. I get to see you, you get to see me, and we get to video chat. This week we're going to be reading a book. It's going to be really fun. And our Zoom meetings won't be too long. They'll only be about 30 minutes, so we won't have too much time, but it'll be really fun, and I hope you all can be there. If you need any help, please just ask. What you'll need to do is you'll go to the Zoom app and do the meeting ID, which is this right here, or you can just look up right here. So it'll be zoom.us/join, and then what you do is you just put in the meeting ID, and the meeting ID is this long number right here. See? And the instructions are here in English and in Spanish. So if you need any help, just let me know. But read the instructions first, just so that you have an idea of what's going on, okay? All right, so let's get started. Today is our math test. If you feel like you're not ready yet, you can go ahead and watch the review again and watch little parts that you're not sure of yet. Or if you have a specific lesson that you're not sure of, like you're saying, Miss Chacon, I forget how to count back tens on a number line, you can watch this video for a little bit. You don't have to re-watch the entire video. You can just go back and watch little pieces, and it may help you because you're learning it again. Okay, so we have that, and then also, sorry about that. So, also, if you are unsure of anything or you have any questions, just ask me on Class Dojo and I'll be sure to let you know. Remember, this is a test, so you have to use your own brain power. So I want you to use your own brain power because you're very, very smart, my friend. And just remember that we just try our best and forget the rest. It's not about getting a perfect score. It's about trying our best and learning, okay? Learning is so important, and learning only happens when you use your own brain power, okay? So let's get started on our test. This test is going to be posted on Class Dojo, so you'll be able to fill it out through a Word document or through a PDF. And if you don't know what either of those things are, it's okay. Your parents know, okay? All right, so this is the second page. This is the first page, okay? So it says add. Circle the correct answer. 3 tens plus 4 tens equals blank tens, or 30 plus 40 equals blank. So 3 tens is the same as 30. 4 tens is the same as 40, so your answer, which is blank tens, will be the same as whatever answer you have, just with the 0 instead of the tens. So is 3 tens plus 4 tens 7 tens and 70? So 7 tens would go right here, 70 would go right here. Is 3 tens plus 4 tens 6 tens and 60? So 6 tens would go here and 60 would go here. Or is 3 tens plus 4 tens 5 tens plus 50? 5 tens would go here, 50 would go here. So is it like that? And remember, you're only picking one answer. You're only picking A, B, or C. You don't have to do A and B. You don't have to say, so for A it's 7 tens and for B it's 60. No. You're only picking one answer because one answer has the both parts of it. So it has both the tens and the zeros right here. So just remember to only pick one answer, and to remember the 7 tens is the same as 70, 6 tens is the same as 60. So even if you put 6 tens here, 60 would be part of part B. So you don't have to pick two answers or anything like that. Okay, my friends? So just remember, what is 3 tens plus 4 tens, or 30 plus 40? I would do this one first because it's easier to do 3 plus 4 than it is to do 30 plus 40 because I don't have 30 or 40 fingers. All right, number 2. Count on to add. What is the sum? So here we have 42 plus 3, and we need to find the sum. The sum is the answer of an addition problem. So here we have 42, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42. So here's 42. And then we have 3. 1, 2, 3. So your job is to count all these blocks. So we have 42 plus 3. And figure out, is 42 plus 3 43, 45, or 49? And then we have number 3. We have 13 plus 5, or 1 tens and 3 ones plus 5 ones. Remember, you're going to add the ones first. So you're going to add 5 plus 3 first. And then you're going to add the tens first. So you're just going to add that 1 and bring it down. And the answer going to be 14, 16, or 18? The choice is yours. All right. What is the answer? 19 plus 9. Now look at this, my friends. What does this circle mean? This circle means that we're going to regroup because there's more than 10 here. So they already helped you out here by circling that 10 for you. So what you have to do is after it's circled, you have to draw an arrow and bring that 10 all the way over here so that it can be regrouped and X this out because we know it's not going to be used again on this side. So we have 19, so we have 10 and 9 ones, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 ones here, and we have 9 ones here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we have 9 ones and 9 ones. That's much more than 10, and we can't have 10 ones. The 10s always need to go on this side. So what they did is they counted 10 for you already, and they circled it. You need to regroup and bring it over to the tens place, then count the rest of the ones, okay? And then is your answer going to be 30, 29, or 28? Okay, friends? And then we're going to subtract. We have 9 tens minus 2 tens and 90 minus 20. 9 tens is the same as 90. 2 tens is the same as 20. So your answer will be the same as the other answer. So we have A, 4 tens and 40. So 4 tens would go here. 40 would go here. B, 6 tens and 60. 6 tens would go here. 60 would go here. Or C, 7 tens and 70. The choice is yours. So remember to subtract. We are not adding. We're subtracting. So what is 9 minus 2? Then you just add a 0 to this number, okay? All right, let's go to the next page. Use the number line to subtract. What is the difference? Now remember, the difference is the answer in a subtraction sentence. So we have 90 minus 40. So I know 90 is my biggest number, so I have to find it on my number line. So we're going to look for 90. Here it is. So I'm going to draw a dot on 90. So that's what you're going to do. You have to draw a dot on 90. Then we're taking away 40. When we take away 40, you have to look at the tens place. And when you look at the tens place, you're looking at how many tens are there. Here, there are 4 tens. So we know we're taking away 4 tens. So we have 90, and because there's 4 tens, I'm going to draw 4 mountains. So I have 90. You're going to draw 4 mountains back. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And where you land is going to be your answer. So you're going to start on 90 and draw 4 mountains back and count, see what is your answer. So is 90 minus 40, 40? Is 90 minus 40, 50? Or is 90 minus 40, 60? The choice is yours. So here's number 7. Use related facts to add and subtract. We have 10 plus blank is 30, and 30 minus 10 is blank. Now, when we say related facts, we mean the same 3 numbers, and they're like cousins. So we have 10, 10, 30, 30, and these 2 numbers are going to be the same too. So we're going to have 3 of the same numbers, but this is an addition sentence, and this is a subtraction sentence. So they're cousins, but they're not the same. They're related because they have the same 3 numbers, but they're different because one's addition and one's subtraction. So it's hard for me to find 10 plus blank is 30. That one's harder for me to find. If I were you, I would start with the subtraction sentence because it's easier for me to find the difference right here. 30 minus 10 is what? This answer here will be the same answer here. So is it 20, 20? So is 30 minus 10, 20? And 10 plus 20, 30? Is it 15, 15? So is 30 minus 10, 15, and 10 plus 15, 30? Or is it C? Is it 10? Is 30 minus 10, 10, and is 10 plus 10, 30? Remember, don't just guess. You have to add first. So, you're taking away first, so do 30 minus 10 first. Then after you find this answer will be the same as this answer, okay? Now we have to subtract, and what is the related addition fact? So before you look at any of these answers, you have to subtract this answer, okay? Because you have to find this third number. So 70 minus 30. I don't have 70 fingers, I don't have 30 fingers, but I know that 7 tens and 3 tenths is the same as 70 and 30. So I can take 7 minus 3, and I'll know what that is, and I just have to add a 0. So you're going to have a related fact. So this is subtraction. So because this is subtraction, these sentences are going to be addition because they're related, but they're not the same. So it's going to be addition, but you're going to have the same 3 numbers. Just like over here, you had the same 3 numbers. Here, you're going to have the same 3 numbers. So you're going to have 7, 30, and another number. So we have F, 40, 20, and 60. Are these the same 3 numbers as these? We have G, 30 plus 30 is 60. Are these the same 3 numbers as these? Or is it H, 30 plus 40 is 70? Are these the same numbers as these? Remember, subtract first and then find your answer, okay? All right, number 9. Ben has 40 stickers. He gives 30 stickers to his friend. How many stickers does Ben have left? I'll read it again. Is this going to be subtraction or addition? Ben has 40 stickers. He gives 30 stickers to his friend. How many stickers does Ben have left? Now, if you had 40 and you gave away 30, and you're trying to find out how many you have left, did you take away stickers or did you get more stickers? You took away stickers because you gave 30 of them to your friend. So the answer is you're going to be doing subtraction. So you're going to have 40 and you're going to take away 30. Now how you solve it, I want to see how you solve it. So if you write just 40 minus 30 is blank, that's okay. If you use this number line here, that's okay. If you do 4 tens minus 3 tens equals blank tens, that's okay too. However you decide to do it, my friends. And I know that some ways are easier than others, and we have a lot of different ways we've been doing this. So however you solve this, and your answer is either going to be 20, 10, or 5. So is 40 minus 30 going to be 20? Is 40 minus 30 going to be 10? Or is 40 minus 30 going to be 5? And remember, it's subtraction, not addition, okay? Now, here's number 10, our last question on this test. There are 30 students in Mrs. Miller's class. 20 of them are girls. How many of them are boys? Now, I'll read it again, and I want you to think of if this is addition or subtraction. There are 30 students in Mrs. Miller's class. 20 of them are girls. How many of them are boys? Now, if I added 30 plus 20, that would just give me a bigger number, but the total number of students is 30. So we know it's not going to be addition because we don't need more than we already have. We're trying to take away the girls so that we could find out how many boys we have. So we have 30 and we're going to take away the 20 girls so we could find out how many boys are in the class. So you're going to have 30 minus 20 and you're going to find out how many boys are in the class. So is 30 minus 20 going to be 10? Is 30 minus 20 going to be 15? Or is 30 minus 20 going to be 20? The choice is yours. Remember, it's subtraction, not addition. So do your best and forget the rest, okay, my friends? Remember, don't stress out about this. Just try your best. This is how we learn. If you get something wrong, then I'll know, and I'll know how I can help you. So it's totally okay if you're not sure, you need to ask a question. That's okay. That's how we learn. So remember, I'm not looking for perfect scores. I'm just looking to see if you tried your best, okay, my friends? So that's it for today. Please remember our Zoom call is on Wednesday. And if you need any help, or if you forgot to watch a video, or you just need to look back at some math videos because you don't know what it means, you can totally do that and look at our YouTube page, okay? All right. That's it for today. Have a great day. Stay safe and stay well. Remember to join our Zoom call on Wednesday. All right. Bye, my friends.